We will set the cases for a review in about 30 days. Let's see where we are, go over his options, y'all talk. If I can always do, upfront time, but we've got to get to a certain point where that would make sense. And so at this time, I'm just going to reset the cases. Like, I'm rejecting these plea agreements. Let me tell you, you get more of these, it's only going to get worse. I'm going to see them. A jury's probably going to see them a jury will see them if you go to trial. And you're going to end up in prison because you can't follow the rules in our jail and you're acting like a little punk. So go stop acting like a punk, prove that you can behave, and then we'll see what happens. And because you accidentally didn't kill somebody, you get a probation. Not today. Again, I'm rejecting these plea agreements. We will set the cases for a review in about 30 days. And so we're back here. So you were here May 6th, right? May 6th. You got, since then, 11 more. Fighting, same things. Fighting, not following the rule. I told you, go just be good for a month. I wanted to try to help you. Saying, I don't care. Write me up. I don't care. If you don't care, then I don't care. Go back with the bailiff. Good morning. You're Christopher Bushnell. So, Mr. Bushnell, you were previously in court, entered pleas of guilty to the third-degree felony offense of evading arrest or detention with the use of a vehicle, and the second-degree felony offense of engaging in organized criminal activity. Those were for agreements of a 10-year probation deferred in each of those cases. I have received the pre-sentence report. Has everyone had an opportunity to review that report?
Yes, Your Honor. Have you?
Are there any additions or corrections to the report?
Just that it may indicate that he doesn't take full responsibility, but after speaking with him, he does take full responsibility for his actions and involvement in both cases.
I've also reviewed jail incident reports. Have you both been given a copy of those?
Yes, Your Honor. I have.
So you're 17 now?
Yes.
December 26th.
Judge, if we need to go back and renegotiate an offer, obviously he's not even out of custody yet. Just
Well, and
I obviously due to his age, you want him to have the opportunity to get his life together. Obviously, not going into adulthood with felony convictions. I have preached to him the importance of following the rules and not.
you can't do it, can you?
I can.
You cannot. 21 incident reports since January 25th of this year. 21. Fighting, calling officers names, stealing food, instigating fights, being a bully to other people in the dorm. Ridiculous. So if you can't follow rules in the jail, what makes you think you're going to come in here and I'm going to say, sure, go be on probation out in our community? After y'all shot gun, this is serious. I'm tired of the shootings. I'm tired of people. You could have killed somebody. Because you accidentally didn't kill somebody, you get a probation. Not today. If I could send you to ISF, I would consider it. I can't. At this point, I'm going to reject the plea agreements, set the cases for a review in about 30 days. Let's see where we are, go over his options, y'all talk. If I can always do, upfront time, but we've got to get to a certain point where that would make sense. And so at this time, I'm just going to reset the cases. Like, I'm rejecting these plea agreements. Let me tell you, you get more of these, it's only going to get worse. I'm going to see them. A jury's probably going to see them a jury will see them if you go to trial. and you're going to end up in prison for up to 20 years because you can't follow the rules in our jail and you're acting like a little punk. So go stop acting like a punk, prove that you can behave, and then we'll see what happens. When you come back next, I'll see how many of these I have. Go back with the bailiff. You're Christopher Bushnell. And so Mr. Bushnell has 2 cases, an evading arrest or detention with a motor vehicle and engaging in organized criminal activity, and cause numbers 25-0112 and 0113. There was previously an agreement, motion, and a plea agreement for 10-year deferred probation. We were here because of the issues in the jail. I rejected that because if I were going to go along with that, I was going to order the ISF. And so we're back here. And then, so let me ask you, I should tell you what's bad is when I remember stuff, Mr. Bushnell. Your birthday's in October, right? No, December. So we're getting close. But here's the problem, Mr. Bushnell. So you were here May 6th, right? And I didn't accept these plea agreements. And I got pretty upset with you because of what had been going on in jail, right?
Yeah.
And what did I tell you? You know how many write-ups you've gotten since May 6th? You want to take a guess? Too many to count. Too many to count. May 6th, you got, since then, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 more. Fighting, same things. Fighting, not following the rules, calling names. I mean, same thing. You don't like following rules, do you? You do? What part of calling a correctional officer the names that you've been calling is appropriate? It's not. So why would you keep doing it after I told you? I told you, go just be good for a month. 1 month, be good, follow the rules. And it's one thing if you've got another inmate running up on you fighting and that was your excuse. But it's not. I'm not accepting any plea agreements. If the jury wants to see all this and give you probation after that, that's going to be up to them. I'm not doing it. Go back with the bailiff. We'll set your case for, well, let me do this. Ms. Holmes has been appointed as your attorney, and she's one of the attorneys who handles a lot of cases for me as a court-appointed attorney. What I can do is release her and appoint a new attorney who can begin preparation for trial. Do you want me to do that? Or do you want to keep Ms. Holmes? All right, Ms. Holmes, get ready for trial. And let me tell you what you're doing. You're making her job hard. She's trying to help you. I wanted to try to help you. If you came in today and didn't have all this nonsense, I'm looking at it over and over, calling them the B word, not doing what you're supposed to. And I don't care. Write me up. I don't care. If you don't care, then I don't care. Because I tried last time when we had this conversation. So your case is going on the trial docket. And again, we'll let a jury decide what to do with you. Back with the bailiff. Good luck, Ms. Holmes.